phrasal verbs start with get. Get up. To rise from bed. I usually get up at 7 a.m. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. I get along well with my coworkers. Get over. To recover from something, such as an illness or emotional distress. It took her a while to get over the breakup. Get by. To manage or survive, especially with minimal resources. Even though he's on a tight budget, he manages to get by. Get back. To return to a place or recover something. I need to get back home before dark. Get out. To leave a place or escape. He told me to get out of his office. Get in. To enter a place, vehicle, or group. She got in the car and drove away. Get down. To lower oneself physically or feel depressed. He got down on one knee to propose. Get on. To board a form of transportation or progress with something. I need to get on the bus. Get off. To leave a form of transportation or be excused from something. We got off the train at the next station. Get away. To escape or go on a vacation. I need to get away from work for a while. Get through. To complete or survive something difficult. We got through the storm safely. Get across. To communicate something clearly. The teacher got her point across well. Get around. To avoid something. We managed to get around the traffic. Get rid of. To eliminate or remove something. I need to get rid of this old furniture. Get on with. To continue doing something, especially after a break. Let's get on with our project. Get at. To imply or suggest something indirectly. What exactly are you trying to get at? Get ahead. To progress or succeed, especially in work or life. She worked hard to get ahead in her career. Get into. To become involved in something or start enjoying it. He really got into painting during the lockdown. Get together. To meet or gather with others. We should get together for lunch next week. Get back at. Get away with. To take revenge on someone. To avoid punishment for something. She's trying to get back at him for lying. With cheating on the test. Get across to. To make someone understand something. I finally got my point across to him. Get down to. To start focusing on something seriously. Let's get down to business. Get after. To chase or urge someone to do something. The coach told them to get after the ball. Get in on. To become involved in an activity. He got in on the latest tech trends early. Get up to. To be involved in something, often mischievous. What did the kids get up to while we were gone? Get behind. To fall behind schedule or in progress. I've gotten behind on my assignments. Get wound up. To become very excited or angry. She gets really wound up over politics. Get mixed up. Involved in something bad. He got mixed up in a bad deal. Get under. To affect someone emotionally, usually negatively. The constant criticism really got under my skin.